Psalm 6. O Yahuwah, rebuke me not in thine anger, neither chasten me in thy hot displeasure. Have mercy upon me, O Yahuwah, for I am weak. O Yahuwah, heal me, for my bones are vexed. My soul is also sore vexed. But thou, O Yahuwah, how long? Return, O Yahuwah, deliver my soul. Oh, save me for thy mercy's sake. For in death there is no remembrance of thee. In the grave, who shall give thee thanks? I am weary with my groaning. All the night make I my bed to swim. I water my couch with my tears. Mine eye is consumed because of grief. It waxes old because of all my enemies. Depart from me, all ye workers of iniquity, for Yahuwah hath heard the voice of my weeping. Yahuwah hath heard my supplication. Yahuwah will receive my prayer. Let all mine enemies be ashamed and sore vexed. Let them return and be ashamed suddenly.